Hello everybody and welcome back to another part in my modding Fallout 3 series. So today we're going to be installing FWE-Matigens Mutant Mod, Fallout Interoperability Program, and ArchiveInvalidation Invalidated. So I want to tell you what all the mods do before you install them. Basically, this mod here edits a lot of things. It makes you level slower, it makes the game harder, it adds a bunch of new interesting things to the game that was absolutely necessary. As well as it enables primary needs, which they actually added that in the next game, which was hardcore mode. So I will be playing this in hardcore mode. So it will be a lot more interesting seeing me starve to death. So basically what you're going to do to get this mod is you're going to want to install all three of these with Mod Manager and the Darnified UI support if you have Darnified UI. You're going to want to open up this. Alright, so first you're going to want to enable Fallout Wanderers Edition, and this may take a little bit since it's quite a large mod, but I want to talk about something. You may get a bug while installing the hotfix. Now I do have a fix for this, and I will show you if it happens to me here. So I'm just waiting for this. It should pop up with this, yes. Alright, so you're going to want to, it comes with crafting caliber, which is needed to run the mod. So basically allows the game to work together with new ammos and such. So, if you have all the DLCs, you're going to only enable the ones you do have. Don't enable these unless you have Followers Enhanced Mod. And these are the optional ones where you can set the VATS time and restore tracers, which allows you to see where your bullets go. I'm going to enable alternate travel, which disables the regular fast travel, but adds like a motorcycle outside of Megaton that you can use instead, which is a lot more realistic. Well, I don't know about a motorcycle, but it's more realistic than just teleporting. So, and then you click install when you have everything you want to enable. Should take a couple seconds here. Alright, it's been successfully installed. And now you're going to go to part 2. You're going to want to install that. Hit no because it thinks it's a newer version. That's because we need to still get that's because we still need to install the hotfix. So we're just gonna let that go. It'll be a little bit. Should not take very long at all. So this adds a bunch of new weapons and armors and new features like being able to lockpick stuff with like bombs to blow open the door, which doesn't always work. See, the mod has been activated. And now to install the hotfix. Now, I believe I may get a bug here with the Nexus Mod Manager, but if I don't, then what I just said would be completely pointless. So let's see what happens. Yes, this is the bug right here. So it says, master files must load before other plugins. The mod was not installed. It says success, though, which is a weird thing. So what you're going to do is, you're going to want to minimize this. You're going to go to your data folder, and make sure you have ArchiveInvalidation Invalidated. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download manually. You're going to want to open the RAR, put the exe inside here. You're going to want to double click this, allow it, and hit activate. It should pop up with another message saying activated. But that isn't actually a fix. So you won't be able to install play the mods properly without this. But now the fix is if you see alternate travel. I don't know if you get this bug if you don't have alternate travel. What you're going to do is you're going to want to go to rename. See the little end here? You're going to change it from an ESP to an ESM. Just hit yes. And now you're going to restart Nexus Mod Manager. Now it should be listed somewhere else now. Where's the alternate travel? It should be here. Yeah, it's an ESM now. So we're going to enable that. And then drag it up here. And now you should be able to install the hotfix. See? I fixed it. Alright, so now you're going to want to install the Darnified UI patch. So what you're going to do is, you're just going to enable this. Hit no. Yes to all. It should be here. Darnified It's probably in here somewhere. Let me just look for it. I do not know where they put this. Well, I installed it, and there should be a thing here that requires it. I do not see it. Oh well, it installed, so it's probably working. It probably just edited a couple of XML files or something. So, next we have Mmm-Matigens Mutant Mod. This is just a truly wonderful mod that changes a lot of things in the world, as in creatures. So, let me just look at a screenshot here. So you can see a lot of ghouls here in this picture. So, this is the fixes here. It adds a bunch of new creatures. It adds updated animations for the creatures. And a lot of other things involving creatures. And they scale them. So what you want to do is, you're going to want to go to Files. If you want to install it manually, you're going to download this one manually. But if you want to install it with Nexus Mod Manager, you're going to want to download with Manager. And you're going to do it on the update as well. And then you're going to come in the manager, and you should install Mmm-Matigens Mutant Mod. I believe this mod's quite large as well, so this will take a little bit. And I want to go over a couple things, because a lot of mods don't work together. So that's why we have the Fallout Interoperability program, which allows certain mods to work together in harmony with each other, so there isn't any bugs / glitches with the game. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is, you're going to choose in-game menu, because this is just a lot harder, more work. So you're going to go in-game menu, going to hit next, and here's some global options. I don't recommend enabling them, because I'm pretty sure you could change them in the in-game menu, as well as over here. So next, you're just going to hit finish. Just hit yes to all. And it should take a little bit. It's adding a bunch of crap. Yeah, see, you see all the stuff here? There you go. So now is Mmm-Matigens Mutant Mod here. That's all the important things. I could move some stuff around, which I think I might. Which I don't want tracers. See, it enabled them for me. I do not want these. So I am going to disable these and put these at the bottom. Here's all the optional global settings it showed before. And here's the master menu module. And here's all the DLCs. So this should be the low order you have. I'm not sure about the Darnified ESP. I'll see about that later in the video. But for now, I'll just leave it there. Alright, so now we're going to install the update. Basically, you're just going to click it, hit no, yes to all. Might add a couple files, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to drag these to the bottom, since they're not enabled in the first place anyway. Now it added whatever it needed to add. So now we're going to do the Fallout Interoperability program. So what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to go to the page I put in the description. And they have a bunch of stuff here. As you can see, we may be coming back to this page just because we might get other mods, like weapon mod kits. So, you're going to want to go to Mmm-Matigens Mutant Mod in FWE. You're going to download with Manager. Then you're going to come here and you're going to enable it. It's enabled. Alright. We do not have Project Beauty, so you're going to disable this one. This is if you do not have the DLCs, which I do, so you're going to disable this one, and you should only have this one enabled. I'll put that up here. So this should work. That was basically all the mods I have to install today. If you enjoyed or this did not work for you, leave a comment telling me why it did not work, and I may be able to solve your problem. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.